Before we jump in, let's talk about what pre-qualification actually means. When you check for pre-qualified offers with American Express, they run what's called a soft pull on your credit. This is important. A soft pull does not affect your credit score, so you can check as many times as you want without any penalty. To get started, open your web browser and go to the American Express pre-qualification page. The direct URL is americanexpress.com/prequalification, but you can also find it easily by searching Amex Prequalification on Google. Either way gets you there. Once the page loads, you'll see a simple form asking for some basic personal information. You'll need to provide your full name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. That's it, just those 3 pieces of info, and you're ready to check. After you submit that information, American Express will show you your results almost instantly. If you're pre-qualified, you'll see a list of credit card offers that may be available to you, along with any welcome bonus details and APR information. If you're not pre-qualified, the page will let you know that no offers are currently available. Here's something really important to keep in mind. Being pre-qualified is not the same as being approved. Pre-qualification is just an indicator based on an initial soft pull, but American Express will still do a hard pull on your credit when you actually submit a full application. A pre-qualified offer is a good sign, but it's not a guarantee. A couple of quick tips before you go. First, check back periodically. Your pre-qualification status can change over time as your credit profile evolves. And second, if you do see pre-qualified offers, read the fine print carefully because those offers sometimes come with special terms or different welcome bonus requirements compared to standard public offers. Thanks for watching.